Good morning, student. Today I will teach you general knowledge of class 4th, lesson number 1, some useful activities. Let's start our first chapter, some useful activities. Pictures of some useful activities are given below. Under each picture, write the activity shown in it. Choose your answer from the box given below. In this chapter, you have to see the picture and write the name of activity which they are doing. And here the box is given. From this box, you have to choose the answer. Let's begin with our first picture. In this picture, what's the activity is? The activity is cutting the crop. The activity in this picture is harvesting or cutting the crop. Now, what is this crop? This is a jute crop, and this jute crop is used for making sack, carpet, cloth, mobile cover and bags. So, the activity shown in this picture is harvesting jute. Look in this next picture. What's the lady is doing? The lady is doing picking tea leaves. You can see here, this is a tea leaves. These tea leaves are used to making tea. Now what is tea? The tea is referred to the mixture of fruits, leaves, root or herb. And this tea is used to make the tea which you will drink in our day-to-day life. Now we go to the third picture. In this picture, the man is catching the fish. So the activity is fishing. In this picture, you can see the man is catching the fish by using this net. The catching of fishes by equipment or without equipment is called as a fishing. Now what equipment used in catching the fish? The equipment used to catching the fish is net, trap, hook, etc. So the activity shown in this picture is fishing. Now go to the fourth picture. In this picture, what they are doing? They are doing transplanting paddy. Now, what is paddy? Paddy is a field used for growing rice. So, activity shown in this picture is transplanting paddy. Let's see the next picture, the picture number 5. In this picture, the man is mining coal. Now, what is coal mining? The coal mining is a process of taking out coal from the surface of earth. And this coal is black or brown in color. And the coal is used for burning or used as a fuel. Now see the next picture. In this picture, what's the man is doing with tractor? The man is doing plugging the field. When the farmer want to grow crop, they do up and down the soil, and this process is called as a plugging. So the activity shown in this picture is plugging the field. Now see the next picture. What the man is doing in this picture? Here the man is giving water to the plant. That means irrigation. Now what is irrigation? Irrigation means the process of supplying water to the plant. So the activity shown in this picture is irrigating the crop. Now let's see the picture number 8. In this picture, the man is doing making design on carpet. What's the man is doing? The man is doing making design on carpet. So the activity is making designs. Now see the next picture. As you all know that animal like cow, buffaloes, sheep, goat, they go for the graze. So the picture is grazing the cattle. So the activity is grazing cattle. Let's see the next picture. Picture number 10. In this picture, what's the man is doing? The man is spraying the insecticide. Now what is insecticide? Insecticide is used to kill insect. Insecticide is a substance which are used to kill insect. This insecticide is mainly used by farmer. So the activity shown in this picture is spraying insecticide. Let's see another picture. Picture number 11. The picture is weaving. Now what is weaving? Weaving is the process in which two sets of thread combine together to form cloth. So the activity shown in this picture is weaving. Now the last picture, picture number 12. Let's see the picture. What's the man is doing? The man is doing welding. The man is doing a welding. Welding is a process in which heat are used to join two parts of a metal. This is called welding. Now student, here we completed our first chapter. So you have to write the activity in your textbook. Thank you.